Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer forms into Google Sheets with Make step-by-step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Make website. Log into your Make account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Editor, click on the big plus button to add a new module. Search for and select the app that contains the forms you want to transfer. If you're using Google Forms, select Google Forms from the list. Authenticate your Google account if prompted. Choose the specific trigger that will initiate the process, like New Response. After selecting the trigger, fill in the required fields to customize it. Next, click the plus button again to add the action module. This time, search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose the action you want to perform, such as create a spreadsheet row. Connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data saved. Map the fields from your form to the corresponding columns in Google Sheets. Make sure each form response field correctly aligns with the Google Sheets columns. Once everything is set up, click the Run Once button to test the scenario. Check your Google Sheets to confirm that the data has been transferred correctly. If everything looks good, click the Schedule button to set up automation. Adjust the schedule settings according to your needs, whether it's immediate or at specific intervals. Finally, save your scenario and turn it on to keep it running. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.